Welcome to Healthy Grandpa Secrets and Ham, where growing older means growing stronger. Let's make these years your healthiest yet.
Have you ever wondered if there's one single exercise that could dramatically improve your strength, balance, and overall health after the age of 60? Most people think walking is enough. And while walking is fantastic for your heart and joints, it simply doesn't target the muscles you need most as you age. That's why in today's video, we're diving deep into the one powerful strength move that every senior should learn and master. This move is simple, effective, and life-changing. And no, it's not walking. Welcome to Healthy Grandpa Secrets, where we bring you proven, practical, and safe ways to feel stronger, live longer, and stay independent no matter your age. In this video, I'll reveal this essential movement, break down how to do it safely, explain why it works, and show you how to start using it right away, whether you're in your living room, backyard, or even at the park. This is not about lifting heavy weights or risking injury. It's about building confidence and muscle in the smartest way possible. Let's begin. First, let's talk about why strength matters so much after 60. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. After the age of 30, most people lose between 3% and 8% of their muscle mass each decade. By the time you hit 60, that loss starts to accelerate. But here's the good news. With the right movement, you can slow, stop, and even reverse this loss. Muscle isn't just about looking strong. It's about functional independence. It's what lets you carry groceries, get up from a chair, open a jar, or walk up the stairs without holding onto the railing. Without strength, even the smallest tasks can become difficult. That's why strength training is one of the most important things you can do as a senior. And the best part? You don't need a gym membership. You don't need expensive equipment. And you certainly don't need to lift anything heavy if you don't want to. The move I'm about to teach you can be done with just your body weight or a pair of light dumbbells. So what is the #1 strength move every senior should master? It's called the hip hinge, also known as a modified deadlift. But don't let the name scare you. We're not talking about barbell deadlifts here. This is a gentle, joint-friendly version designed specifically for seniors. Here's how it works. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your knees slightly bent, your chest up, and your shoulders back. Place your hands on your thighs. Now slowly hinge forward at the hips, sliding your hands down your legs until you feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings. Keep your back straight and core tight. Then, return to standing by pressing your hips forward. That's 1 rep. Sounds simple? It is, but it's incredibly powerful. This move strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core, all the muscles that support balance and posture. It also improves your ability to lift things safely, stand for longer periods, and move with more confidence. And it's totally customizable. You can do this using a resistance band, a light dumbbell, or even just a water bottle for added resistance. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Start with a warm-up. March in place for 2 minutes, or do some gentle shoulder rolls and leg swings to loosen up. Step 2. Stand with your feet firmly planted and knees soft, not locked. Step 3. Engage your core. That means gently pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Step 4. With your arms extended down your thighs, slowly bend at the hips, not the waist. Imagine you're closing a car door with your behind. That's the motion. Step 5. Stop when you feel the stretch, but before your back rounds. Step 6. Press through your heels and return to standing. Do this 10 times. That's 1 set. Start with 2 sets and work up to 3 as you get stronger. And breathe. Inhale as you hinge down. Exhale as you come up. The reason this move is so effective is because it trains a fundamental movement pattern: hip hinging. Most daily activities, from picking something off the floor to sitting down in a chair, involve a hip hinge. By strengthening this motion, you're reducing your risk of back injury, improving your mobility, and increasing your overall strength. I've worked with seniors who said they were afraid to bend over before learning this move. But once they practiced it regularly, they could lift laundry baskets, play with grandkids, and even garden without any fear of falling or hurting their back. Now, you might be wondering, what if I have bad knees or a sore lower back? Great question. This move can be modified even further. Instead of going all the way down, simply hinge halfway. Focus on the control, not the range. You can also hold on to a chair for support or perform it against a wall for extra balance. And if you're recovering from surgery or dealing with joint issues, always talk to your doctor or physical therapist before starting any new exercise. But for the vast majority of seniors, the hip hinge is safe, scalable, and incredibly effective. Let me share a quick story. Meet Carol, age 72. Before she started doing this exercise, she had trouble lifting her carry-on into an overhead bin during flights. She also struggled with fatigue when standing for more than 15 minutes. After doing the hip hinge 3 times a week for just a month, she noticed a huge difference. Not only could she stand longer and walk farther, but she also had less back pain and felt more stable on her feet. She said, "I feel like I got a piece of my independence back." And that's what this is really about. It's not just about the muscles, it's about the freedom those muscles give you. So how can you incorporate this move into your weekly routine? Try adding it to your morning stretch or pairing it with a walk. You can do 2 to 3 sets every other day. Combine it with other gentle strength exercises like wall push-ups or chair squats for a well-rounded routine. And remember, consistency beats intensity. You don't need to sweat buckets or push to exhaustion. Just doing this move regularly, with good form, will pay off in big ways over time. And the beauty of the hip hinge is that it's ageless. Whether you're 60, 70, 80, or beyond, this movement supports better posture, stronger bones, and more energy throughout the day. Imagine being able to carry your groceries without fear, to climb stairs without holding the railing, to pick up your grandchild without wincing. That's the power of mastering this one simple move. And here's the best part. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Your body adapts, your confidence grows, and your independence returns. So I challenge you today, try 10 reps of the hip hinge right now. Pause the video, stand up, and give it a go. Feel how your body moves. Feel the muscles activate. And know that with each rep, you're investing in your future health. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Grandpa's Secrets, where we bring you real solutions for real seniors. Every week, we'll bring you tips, tools, and gentle workouts to help you feel younger, stronger, and more alive than ever before. Leave a comment below letting us know how the hip hinge felt for you. And share this video with a friend or loved one. It might just be the key to their renewed strength and freedom. Until next time, stay strong, stay safe, and keep moving forward. Because a healthier you is just one good habit away.